Hi again. Today I'm here with an unboxing of the Hermès men's Decoupage de H swim trunks, and I probably butchered that, so apologies for anyone who is French. So these swim trunks are part of the men's fall-winter 2022 collection. This color is Cobalt. It also comes in blue and vert de gris. I chose Cobalt because it was the most blue. I like the darker blue tone with some white accents here. On the back, there is the typical Hermès button. That says Hermès Paris on there for the pocket. When you open it up, there's a nice little mesh pocket inside there for your keys and whatnot. There's also a side pocket as well. Again, a mesh side pocket on both sides. This swimsuit does run true to size, so I'm typically a medium. This is a medium, it fits very well. And the material is 100% polyamide, so obviously safe to get into the water. It's very comfortable. There's a nice drawstring here that you can go and tighten up to and tie up to adjust as needed. And I am looking forward to getting some use out of this in some pools and whatnot when the weather warms up. I do like this style because you see that there's H of different sizes and different positions kind of all around. You can see it maybe a little bit more clearly on the back as well. So in the US, as of December 2022, the swim trunks retails for $540. Not something I would typically buy, but when you compare the price to Vilebrequin or other higher end swimsuit makers, it's pretty reasonable. And the material, the feel, the fit are all fantastic. So definitely looking forward, as I said, to trying this out. Again, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks, and see you next time.